Sorry, my sinuses are whacked today, so you have to forgive me. Building and rebuilding. The Christ journey. I'm just speaking for myself, my point of view. The Christ journey. You using your own mindset to build for the kingdom, but God leading you in what you need to do, basically, is building and rebuilding. And also the foundation of the thought process of, or whatever you're building, the foundation of it. From the start to finish, beginning to the end. Leveling up, building and rebuilding, laying out the blueprints, having the blueprints, laying them out. Obviously starting just like a house, building from the foundation up, everything. God will give you the blueprints, but you know, you need to exercise your own. Exercise and utilize fully and use the tools that Christ gives you to the fullest potential necessary. It is a must. I know it's hard, and it is for me, because I have a love and hate relationship with God a lot, but striving to do more, I guess, is what it is about, really. But God bless.